All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Accent. It is the SE model, this beautiful gray with gray interior, premium sound system, not steering wheel controls. 27,000 miles and minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Does have a dent here, paint off. See, about 6 inches right there. On your front door here, we have a dent running the length of the door. We'll call it 10 or more there, as you can see. Let's check out your front passenger hubcap. Very nice. Your tire thread here is over 7/32. You take a look at that door. The rear door has a dent as well. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, about 12 inches. A dent from here to here. All right, and your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front, your rear driver's hubcap, and your tire thread is under 7/32. Let's give another check. Under 7/32, above 4. Here's your nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any things. Actually, I see a little dent here, about 2 inches. No paint off there. Of course, power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys, so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs. Boom. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, you got your AM/FM stereo system right here, FM CD player, on and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. So what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues, and there's your mileage of 27,831. Pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the lights, open up the trunk, keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. It's good. Rear bumper looks good. Your rear deck or trunk space looks pretty good. Does have some doesn't have a spare tire, but does come with your run flat system and your owner's manual is like the way back here. Your lid here looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your your rear passenger hubcap. And back here is under 7/32, above 4. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. And this fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is over 7/32. Pretty much completes the tour, folks. Lights are working. Things are on. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2017 Hyundai Accent with SE model with 27,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.